Hey, it's Sara with Ag Printers, and we're here to share 4 of our favorite recipes from our family to yours. Let's get started.
Hi, Sara. What do you got here?
Well, we're going to be making some green bean casserole.
Oh, okay.
Yes, one of my friends gave me this recipe, and I have been making it for, oh my goodness, forever.
Okay.
Like 20 years. So,
Do the kids like it? Does the whole family
They love
enjoy?
it. Everyone loves this. So,
Well, how do you do it?
We're going to start out with some cream of mushroom soup. I've already pre-measured it. And we add in a half a cup of milk, teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm measuring today. Normally I just kind of, dump some in there, but
Oh, okay.
we're feeding this to people outside of the family, so we're going to try to do it the right way. A little bit of pepper here.
Like a pinch?
Yeah,
Maybe a
pinch of
pinch.
pepper. Just kind of stir this up a teeny tiny bit.
Okay. That sure looks good.
Appetizing. I know, Andy, that your favorite meal is green beans and
Oh,
mushrooms.
beans and gotta get my shrooms on.
Yes. So here's 4 cups of green beans.
Okay.
So we'll kind of fold that in.
And this is one of those that looks probably better when it's done, once it's cooked.
Most definitely.
Yeah.
It looks way better.
I mean, not that doesn't look delicious.
Yeah. So, I know that you love mushrooms, Andy, so we're going to go ahead and add 1 small can of mushrooms.
I'm glad to see that because I was disappointed when I saw there was just the can of cream of mushrooms.
Yes.
So.
Okay. Now, something that isn't part of my friend's recipe that I have added on my own is a little bit of sprinkled cheese. It adds just that little extra bit of flavor, and I think that might be the key to Andy loving this recipe as well.
I do like the cheese. Now, over 20 years, have you tried different special ingredients to see if anything else, improves it, or just pretty much stuck with the recipe?
Pretty much just stuck with this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I like that.
All right.
It's a good story.
So we're almost there, Andy. It's this simple. We're gonna add half of this crispy fried onions.
Oh, okay.
Because the rest of it will go on after it's been in the oven for just a little bit.
Okay.
We've got the oven preheated to 350. All right, we're gonna put the lid on. All right, so we're just gonna pop this into the oven
I can't wait.
for 25 minutes. When there's about 5 minutes left, we're gonna open the oven and sprinkle the rest of the cheese and onions on top and slide it right back in for those last 5 minutes. All right, so
Oh,
here
wow,
we are.
look at that.
Yeah. I bet you can't wait to try it.
I really, that is something. How long should it cool before it's safe to eat?
That's a good question. I would say maybe 10 minutes.
Okay. Well, thanks
we
for
usually
that.
just dig right in, let it cool on the plate.
Okay, great. That's
All
really
right.
good. Well, thanks, Sara. Great job.
Thank you. Thanks for the help.